3 best affordable clothing brands made in the USA. In this video, you're about to discover 3 of the best affordable clothing brands that are actually made in the USA, ranked from 3rd to 1st. If you thought American made always means high prices or limited options, think again, because the top brand on this list might change how you shop forever. Let's break it down in simple terms. A lot of people want to buy American-made clothing. It supports local jobs, usually means better quality, and often avoids the hidden environmental cost of overseas production. But here's the problem: many US-made brands are priced way out of reach for the average shopper. The good news, in 2025, there are some brands delivering quality, style, and affordability without outsourcing production. So if you're looking for durable, everyday wear, stylish basics, or wardrobe staples that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. 3. Royal Apparel. Starting off the list is a brand that's quietly built a reputation for comfort, quality, and ethical manufacturing without premium pricing. Royal Apparel produces everything from t-shirts and hoodies to yoga pants and kids basics, and yes, it's all made right here in the United States. What makes them stand out is their focus on sustainable materials like organic cotton and recycled blends while keeping prices reasonable. You won't find flashy logos or bold patterns here, but you will find soft, breathable, well-constructed pieces that last through countless washes. People love how the fit feels consistent and how versatile their items are. Whether you're stocking up on work-from-home gear or upgrading your daily basics, Royal Apparel offers that sweet spot between simplicity, ethics, and affordability. 2. American Giant. Coming in at number 2 is a brand that took the hoodie and turned it into a statement piece. American Giant is known for building ultra-durable clothing, especially heavyweight sweatshirts, joggers, and t-shirts, all manufactured across the US. While some of their flagship pieces might seem a bit pricey at first glance, what people love is the long-term value. These garments are built to last. No shrinking, no fading, no unraveling after a few months, and that durability turns out to be extremely cost-effective over time. Real customers highlight how the clothes still look new after a year of regular use. Their minimalist, clean designs also make mixing and matching easy. So even if you're not buying 10 items at once, every piece gets more use. It's an investment, but one that pays off in wearability, comfort, and American craftsmanship. And number 1, that might be a surprise because this brand proves that you can shop American made even on a tight budget. 1. Los Angeles Apparel. At the top of the list is a brand that's shaking up the fast fashion model with fast production, local labor, and surprisingly low prices. Los Angeles Apparel was founded with a mission to combine fair wages, in-house manufacturing, and trend-forward basics that anyone can afford. The result? A massive range of styles from crop tops to cargo pants made locally and priced competitively. What sets them apart is their ability to offer trendy, youthful designs without relying on offshore factories. You'll find bold color options, modern silhouettes, and inclusive sizing. People love the balance between fashion and ethics. You can build a whole outfit from tank to joggers to fleece hoodie for less than you'd spend on a single imported designer item. And everything is made in their Los Angeles facilities, where wages and conditions are transparent and regulated. Why these 3 brands stand out? Royal Apparel delivers basics with eco-conscious materials and USA quality at a fair price. American Giant builds pieces to last years, not months, which means fewer replacements and better value. Los Angeles Apparel brings trend, volume, and accessibility to the world of US manufacturing. Each one offers a different reason to go American made, whether it's sustainability, durability, or just affordable style made, right? Quick recap: choose Royal Apparel if you want comfy, organic, everyday basics made ethically. Go with American Giant if you're after premium quality and timeless durability. Try Los Angeles Apparel if you want bold, youthful styles made locally at a price point that doesn't make you think twice. Final thoughts. In a world full of fast fashion and overseas factories, these 3 brands prove that shopping American made doesn't have to mean overspending. From classic comfort to modern design, they give small business energy with big brand impact. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.